In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register an account profile on the Amazon Associates Program platform using Chrome and set up product review layout pages in the Wix editor. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to the Amazon Associates Program platform. This is where you'll create the account profile that connects your content with Amazon's affiliate system. Take your time on this part and make sure the information you enter is accurate and consistent with the profile you want to use. Since this is an account setup step, it's a good idea to work carefully and review each field before moving forward. The goal here is simply to get your Amazon Associates account profile created in Chrome so you're ready for the website building side of the process. Once that's done, keep Chrome open and open the Wix Editor dashboard in a separate browser tab. Using a second tab makes this workflow much easier because you can move back and forth between the affiliate platform and your website editor without interrupting your progress. In the Wix Editor, you'll be preparing the structure for your product review pages. These pages are where your recommendations will eventually be displayed, so it helps to think ahead about readability, spacing, and how visitors will scan the content. Inside the Wix Editor dashboard screen, begin creating your product review layout pages. Focus on building a clean structure that can support multiple product recommendations in a consistent way. A well-organized review page is easier for visitors to follow and also gives your site a more professional look. As you work, keep the layout simple and intentional so each review section feels clear and easy to browse. Next, click Add Elements, then go to Grid or Strip. This is the key step for setting up the individual product recommendations section layouts. Grids are useful when you want strong alignment and a neat, structured appearance, while strips can help create distinct horizontal sections that separate one recommendation from another. Choose the option that best matches the style you want for your review pages, then place these elements to build repeatable sections for each product. As you arrange the sections, aim for consistency. Keeping similar spacing and structure across each recommendation block will make your page look polished and easier to navigate. This also makes future editing faster if you plan to add more products later.